Hi guys, Pascal here from Advice First Financial. Getting a lot of calls over the last few days around pensions and whether you should pay into a pension for the self-employed, especially the accountants are starting to say now that you need to start looking at your pension contributions and making additional contributions for tax purposes. And the accountants are right to try and reduce your tax burden for the year. I mean, nobody likes paying taxes, so any excuse to sort of reduce that is a thing to look at. So for the self-employed, especially sole traders, is it a good idea to actually pay into a pension at this time of the year? And the answer is yes, for tax purposes, absolutely. It will reduce your tax burden. For it, you know, if you're on 40% tax, then for every €100 you pay into your pension, you'll get 40 quid back on it. So, I mean, it's the best way to save for retirement. And that's the key. If you agree on how you're going to access the money when you get to pension age, then paying into pensions, yes, is definitely a good thing to do. So it is important to understand how you access the money when you get to pension age as well. So putting money into pensions at this time of the year is a good idea. You get tax relief not only for last year's income, but on the preliminary tax that you're going to pay for next year's income or this year's income as well. So you get a double whammy this time of the year for any contributions that you pay in. Not only for sole traders, company directors as well, same thing. You do a tax return by the 31st of October, by the way, is the date. If you're doing an online return to revenue, then 14th of November is the date. So you get an extra 2 weeks. So by the 31st of October, have your contributions in, get your tax relief. Good idea as long as you understand how you access the money in your pension fund. Retiree directors or directors of companies as well. Yes, definitely a good idea to sit down and take a look at your pension contributions. Even employees at this time of the year can do this, and you can claim back taxes. You can do a tax return for the last number of years, and any pension contributions that you make, you can write off against tax as well. Public service, people in pensionable employments, your teachers, your doctors, your nurses, anywhere there is a company scheme in place, you can also make additional voluntary contributions or AVCs. Good thing to look at this time of the year as well. There is good tax breaks on them, as it's up to your marginal rate of tax. So you get your tax breaks up to 40%. So have a look at it. Make sure you take advice. Understand how you access the money at the end of all of this. So when you get to pension age, how do you access the dough? If all of that makes sense, that paying contributions into your pension does make sense and it is a good idea. We're always here if you have any questions or queries. Give us a shout. Happy to answer. Take care. Bye-bye.